Welcome muli sa ating Math Tulong page, ang page na tutulong sa iyo upang mapadali ang pag-unawa mo sa mga math concepts o lessons. Tuloy ng ating episode about addition of fractions and mixed numbers, dadako na tayo sa part 7 o ang huling bahagi. Ito yung mga mixed numbers na kapag pinag-add mo ay kailangan pa ang i-lowest term bago ang final answer. Example number 1. 2 and 3/6 plus 3 and 1/6. So, gaya ng ginagawa natin, unahin natin ang whole number. So, we have 2 and 3 equals 5. Then, check the denominators. So, since the same denominators tayo, we will just copy the denominator. So, we have 6. Then, add the numerators. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So, kagaya ng mga nasa nakaraang episodes natin, ang ating fraction ay even numbers ang numerator at denominator. So, ang gagawin natin dyan ay ilo-lowest term natin. So, may mga techniques na po ako na ituro, balikan na lang po natin. So, since 4 at 6 ay even numbers, i-divide natin yan sa even number din. So, simulan natin sa 10, pwede ba? Hindi. 8, hindi. 6, hindi. 4, hindi. So, we have 2. So, i-divide natin siya sa 2 halves. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, unahin natin, kopyahin ang whole number. So, we have 5. Then, divide the numerators or divide the numerator. 4 divided by 2. So, we have 2. And then, 6 divided by 2, we have 3. So, ang final answers natin ay 5 and 2/3 kasi nga si 2 at 3 ay consecutive numbers. So, lowest term na yan. Example number 2, 4 and 1/12 plus 4 and 2/12. So, again, unahin natin i-add ang whole numbers. So, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then, look at the denominators. Since the same, we will just copy the denominator. So, we have 12. Then, let us add the numerators. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So, ayun, tignan natin. Yung ating fraction, pwedeng i-divide ng numerator si denominator. So, pwede pa yung i-lowest term. So, we have 8 and 3/12. So, yun nga, since pwedeng i-divide yung numerator si denominator, we will use 3 as the divisor. So, we have 3/3. So, ganun ulit. Copy the whole number, 8. So, then, divide na natin yung numerators. 3 divided by 3, 1. Then, 12 divided by 3, 4. Now, ito na naman yung clue natin. Since 1 na ang ating numerator, that is already in lowest term. So, yan na yung final answer natin, yung 8 and 1/4. Example number 3. 3 and 4/6 plus 4 and 5/6. So, ngayon, anong gagawin natin? I-add natin ang whole number. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Then, check the denominators. Same ulit. So, we will just copy it. So, we have 6. Then, 4 plus 5 equals 9. So, anong napansin niyo sa fraction natin? Yes, it is an improper fraction. So, kailangan natin itong i-simplify. So, we have 7 and 9, 6. So, we have 7 and 9, 6. So, 7, just copy it. Then, plus. So, yung ating improper fraction ay i-divide natin. So, 9 divided by 6 equals 1. Then, may remainder na 3. So, again, yung whole number na 1, yun yung ipa-plus natin dyan. Then, yung remainder, gagawin natin numerator. And then, the denominator will just be copied. So, we have 1 and 3, 6 now. Then, proceed natin. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Then, we have the fraction 3/6. So, kung mapapansin natin, yung 3/6 natin ay pwedeng i-divide the numerator sa si denominator. So, we will just express it in lowest term. So, we have 8 and 3/6 divided by 3/3. So, we will just copy the whole number. Then, divide the numerator. 3 divided by 3 equals 1 and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So, yung fraction natin ay, ang numerator ay 1. So, it is already in lowest term. So, ang final answer natin dyan ay 8 and 1/2. So, yun lamang po. Yan na po yung last video natin sa addition of fractions. So, susunod na po ay ang subtraction naman na po. So, yun lamang po. Salamat sa pakikinig. Sana po ay may natutunan tayo. God bless po.